All right, I'm so excited. This is Kim in the Kitchen unboxing Sherry's Sourdough Sensations Mother's Day brunch box. To keep the addresses of the innocent, we have taken that off, but that's as far as we got. So this came today. Here we are. Oh my gosh, look at this goodness. Oh my God, I can barely stand it. I want it all right now. Sourdough chocolate muffin. So good. All right, we got 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, oh my gosh, this is substantial. Blueberry lemon sourdough loaf. Let me be right back. I gotta get this here. This is no joke. Oh my goodness. This is so sturdy. This is a total of 573 grams, which is, oh, that's a 1 pound. That's a 20-ounce loaf, my friend. Woo! So excited for that. Another one. Yeah, because this is two Mother's Day boxes. I'm so excited for this. Oh, strawberry scone. Look at that. Look at how everything is nicely sealed. All right, so that, yep, we got 2 of that, like Noah's Ark, 2 by 2, 2 by 2. Look, everything's got a QR code. Love that. Oh my gosh. This is the Jalapeño cheddar loaf. This is weighty as well. Let's see, that one is, that is, I can't wait to try that. Oh my God. That's just for me, not for anyone else. All right. Whoops. Unboxing coffee toffee shortbread. Look at these little delicious things. Oh my gosh. Need me some coffee. What do we got here? Oh my God, a sourdough cookie. Cookie, butter, white chocolate, and a lemon zinger. Oh my God. I'm crying right now. Because you know what? It's dessert first. Oh, look at, oh, have you seen this? Look at this. Holy hell. Did you see the size of that? Okay, wait, and there's more. The lemon zinger. Okay, here we go. Ready? Oh my God, it's so good. Oh my God. This is like The Walking Dead. I'm gonna lick everything. I'm claiming these. Oh my God. Here's the instructions. Okay. These are going to be Mother's Day, so I'm not going to post this yet. Store it on the counter. Hey, puppy. None for you, bud. It smells good. Okay, we are going to try this other cookie, though. Ready? Oh, amazing. So, cut the loaf in half. Oh my God, that cookie is so good. Oh my gosh. I don't even want to talk. I just want to close my eyes. Only slice what you need to avoid it from drying out. Awesome. How to freeze: can be wrapped tightly, frozen whole or sliced for 3 to 6 months. That's awesome. Wax paper between each slice. Toast as needed. Reheat. I like the font, by the way. Is that like dancing script? I like that. Preheat oven at 350. Spritz with water. Oh, that's a good cue. Place the whole loaf on the oven rack. All right, if repeating, the cut side down, 10 to 15 minutes. Oh. All right, there is our first unboxing of Sherry's Sourdough Sensations. So, oh my goodness. Those cookies are mine. I might share a few other things. So, let's just refresh what's in each Mother's Day brunch box. You get a blueberry lemon loaf. You get a cookie butter white chocolate sourdough cookie and a lemon zinger. So good. You get a toffee shortbread. You get a sourdough scone and strawberry. I want a bite of everything. There's a chocolate sourdough muffin. That's incredible. And these actually came, so these were baked fresh on Sunday, and they were shipped out, I think it was either Monday or Tuesday. So they were baked between Sunday and Monday. They were shipped out on Tuesday. Today is Thursday, I arrived at. So this literally traveled multiple states to get from Arizona to Washington. And I just got done teaching another class. I have a burger here I'm going to eat. I'm going to put it on a sourdough piece of bread. Oh my God. This is a beautiful Mother's Day haul. Okay, there we go.